Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be making a sweet potato puree for my baby. He's 7 months now. We started solids about a month ago and I tried to find creative new things that he likes, but that's also very nutritious for him. So I was gonna make this and I thought to myself I might as well just shoot a video and show you guys what I'm doing and how I do it. Guys, this recipe is so amazing because it's affordable, cost effective, packed with so much nutrition, vitamins and minerals, and no artificial preservatives, no artificial flavoring. It's just natural and it's easy to make. So guys, join me as I do this. There's my main ingredient is sweet potato, and this can pretty much be your only ingredient. However, I like to mix things up and add a little bit of spices because my baby loves some spice. So I have some salt. I'm just going to use a pinch of salt. I probably will not use that whole salt. I have a little bit of chili powder. My child loves spice and can handle a little bit of pepper, but if your child cannot handle that, please don't add it to. I'm only doing the one that my child can eat. A bit of curry, a bit of onion powder, and a bit of ginger. Again, you can honestly you can skip all of this if you don't want, and if you know your child isn't used to this, but my child likes flavors. And I think it's because since he was inside the womb, he has been perceiving all these things. And even when after I gave birth to him, I think just being in the house and being around me when I'm cooking, he's just used to all these flavors and smells, and he likes to taste all these things he's smelling with his nose. So that's why I'm adding all these spices. So just make sure you wash your sweet potato really good. Wash. So guys, I'm going to be baking because my lactation specialist told me that when you bake, the nutrient stays in the vegetable you're baking versus when you boil, some of the nutrients is lost in the boiling water. So after I've washed it, I've dried it, I'm just going to poke some holes so that when I'm baking it, heat can escape. So this potato is really big. Because it's big, guys, I'm going to divide it up. You don't have to, but I just want it to cook fast. I don't want to spend my whole day trying to bake potatoes. So these knives are amazing. I think that's what they're called. They're really amazing. There's one. I just want to cut that part out. So I'm going to line a foil tray with some parchment paper or baking sheet. Just arrange them. My oven has been preset to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So, and it's ready to go. So I'm just going to transfer this into the oven now. It's about 55 minutes later, and your baking time could vary depending on the size of your potatoes. But you know it's ready when you see the juices oozing out. Turn off the oven and set aside to cool. Once the potatoes have cooled down to room temperature, just wash your hands and gently peel the skin off. You can use your hands or you can use a fork or a knife. Do whatever really works for you, whatever is easiest for you. I prefer using my hands. It's easier for me to maneuver. So just do what works for you. The potatoes can be pureed up in a food processor or in a blender. I'm going to be using my Ninja blender for this recipe. Add some water. Just add as much water as you want. I don't like mine too runny. I like it a bit thick. That way I can add water later on, or breast milk, or you can add formula if your baby takes formula still. Please note that my blending is sped up, so I did this a few times until I achieved the perfect consistency. A little bit, just a pinch of salt. I told you guys I probably will not use everything I have here, but just a little bit of the spices to give it a bit of flavor. I'm gonna use all the chili powder because I know that's not too much. So it's perfect. I like it. I don't need to add anything. I can hardly even taste the salt. The spices are just, it gives it just a subtle bit of flavor, so he feels like he's eating real food, not just eating something that does not have any taste. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just get it out of the food processor and show you guys, but it is absolutely amazing. You should definitely try this. This is what the final product looks like. It looks really good and tastes so good as well. I'm gonna be putting some away in the freezer in these freezer safe storage containers. They can stay in the freezer for up to 4 months, but my son is probably gonna eat this within the next 2 to 3 weeks just because it's so yummy and it tastes so good. So guys, if you give this a try, please let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.
Mm.